dude, damn. This is just like, it's just, the clear coat just isn't coated. Disappointing. Oh, well. Good morning, world, and welcome back to another one. I want to go on a hike, man. That's what I want to do. I just had like a very interesting traffic issue. I don't know if I'd call it an issue. I was on a main road and it was one lane turning into two, and there was, I'm gonna guess it's a rental car because it had Florida plates and they just didn't really, like, you know, maybe not, maybe it's just a person from Florida, but they were driving real slow and the lane was turning into two lanes, like a Y-ing out into two lanes. They started to go to the right and they put on the brakes. I didn't gun it by them, I didn't start to gun it by them, but I was already like over on their left side, so, you know, like lane position 1, so you can see way more going on in front of you, ahead of you. And then they started to swerve left, like they were gonna try and do a U-ey when like there was traffic coming the other direction too. Like, this was not, if you were gonna be dumb and do that, even if you didn't know I was there behind you, you know, I don't know what, I don't know what they were doing. It's stuff like that. Like, I wish I always record when I have the GoPro, because I just left the barber shop. I've been riding for like 2 minutes. I was gonna stop at Stop and Shop and grab some coffee, beans. Like, I need more coffee, not like a cup of coffee, although I wouldn't mind a cup of coffee. Get back on your side of the road, please. Thank you. Good job. You did good. So yeah, I ended up not doing that. I ended up pulling into the first parking lot I could and like doubling back to the other side of this, or to another street, because I just didn't want them behind me at that point either. So yeah, I don't know what time is it. Dude, it took me almost an hour to get my haircut. Not me get my haircut, but like freaking I think there was, well, it's quite the queue by the time I was done. More guys kept coming in after me. So it's all good. We got our hairs cut. To go to like a boring Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks or anything like that to get my freaking, yeah, dude, damn, this is just like, it's just, the clear coat just isn't coated. Disappointing. Disappointing. I don't. I'm like talking myself out of getting coffee in my head, like an actual cup of coffee. I might just find a place to. Pick up some coffee. Because it do be a few days I've either been not doing any caffeine or just a caffeine pill, which doesn't have quite the same oomph as in fun. I like drinking my coffee, you know? And that's not to say that the caffeine pill doesn't wake me up. I mean, it's like 3 or 4 cups of coffee or something like that, which ain't nothing, but excuse me, pardon me. Damn, what are they? What? Is that how they drop in coffins and stuff? Most interesting. So I do think, I'm just trying to think here. If I'm going, I guess I could pull into the price chopper that's down here, but I don't know about their coffee choice. Interesting. But I got my green light. Yeah, we'll just, I typically am a stop and shop man, but we're gonna do price chopper. We don't got no Publix down here, or what's it called, Crozers? What was it? I don't know what that one out in the Midwest is. So I thank y'all for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna run in quick. We're gonna get ourselves some coffee. Maybe I'll get myself I don't know. What should I get? Maybe I'll get one of those like I don't know. Not a Red Bull. I don't want to. Do I want a Red Bull? Do I just be that savage that just demolishes a Red Bull in the Price Chopper parking lot? It might be what's needed today. It might just be it. Let's go this way, actually. I wasn't sure, but I'd rather go over here in the corner or something, I think. What's the dealio there? Let's do one of these, huh? Okay. Adios, world. I think I might like sit here and literally drink my Red Bull or something, whatever I end up getting. Dude, this damn tank. I'm gonna have to do something before Brit Jam. I can't go to Brit Jam where I'm gonna be parking my bike and having people all come walk up alongside it and be like, wow, that looks great, but that doesn't.